Hello guys, wanna get stunning edge lighting effects for music and notifications on your Android? Here's how to do it. So let's get started. So firstly you would have to find the Play Store app, just click on it and here tap on the search icon, then open the search tab and here enter Muviz Edge. Then click search and here click on the app icon and then tap that install button and wait for the installation. And when the app is installed, tap open and here tap this arrow and require all the permissions, tap this exact toggle, which is for Muviz Edge, and then go back, and now you're ready for the setup. So here in this main page you can tap on this pencil icon and you can change the thickness of those lines, the spread, the length. It could be longer, it could be shorter, it could be less thicker, it could be more thicker, so you can change almost everything, and also speed too. I think it's very cool. And then tap save. And you would have to click firstly here for notifications and here enable this toggle again. Then you can go back by tapping on this arrow and here tap on AOD music while using the app and then music overlay. And now you're ready to test it. Also, you have a lot of cool stuff in AOD tab and it's like wallpapers, clocks. I think it's pretty cool too. So you can select anything from this list which isn't prepaid too. But anyways, let's play some music to test it. So I will use Spotify and I will play anything to show how it works. So just tap play and now it should work. But I think it works now, as you can see. So that's how you get stunning edge lighting effects for music and notifications. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, today I will show you how to customize and upgrade the volume panel on your Android device. So let's get started guys. So firstly, you will have to download and install the Volume Styles app. So open the Play Store app, just tap on its icon and here click the search button, then open the search tab obviously and enter Volume Styles. Then tap search, here click on the app icon and then click install button and wait for the installation. And when the app is installed, tap open. So then let's put it to the test. Just tap volume up or down. And as you can see, now we have a customized volume panel. And to select any other, just select any other volume panel that you would like. Simply tap on it. And now it is changed. And make sure that this button looks like stop. This means that currently the volume panel design is enabled. And also check how your volume panel looks in both dark mode and light mode. So just simply swipe from the top corner of your device. And here you should find the moon icon that enables dark mode. Just simply tap on it and now your dark mode is enabled. And I think it looks decent enough. So that's how you change your volume panel and customize it. And also there is a premium version that unlocks additional skins and unique visual effects that is obviously paid. So if this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.